Hello guys, good morning everyone. Happy Wednesday guys. How are you? How are you everyone? I'm just looking at this scam right now. You know what? No words. No words to describe this chap yesterday. Oh damn guys. Long time no see, right? So super disappointed. Not really disappointed. But yes, kind of disappointed with yesterday last simply because like literally nothing happened at this move down and we just bounced at random time because why not? Excuse me? And guys, I was able to get long on gold. Obviously not from here. I got entry from 44.21. Obviously not from here. Because our inversion for a while ago was formed what time? I was sleeping. I mean, I didn't see this. So when I saw it was like 6:40 a.m. or so. So we got our inversion for a value gap, just 2 micros on gold longs. I partialed here just one contract and just another contract to 45.09. That's exactly what we discussed on Sunday. So really happy with this trade. I mean, still holding, but we will see. That's exactly what we discussed on Sunday, right? Remember this? That's exactly like what we wanted to see. We wanted to see move down, break below distortion low, our inversion for a value gap long. Damn, exactly what happened today. I mean, I saw this like kind of late, I guess, because I entered over here, like somewhere here. I don't remember exactly, but 44.21. I don't remember time. It wasn't even 7 a.m. Stop loss was below swing low, basically like exactly what we wanted to see. And I was kind of shocked to see this up close candle, but you know, it's not lies simply because you don't want to listen to me, guys. I trade inversion for a value gap only as part of second stage of market maker buy model. We discussed this many times, no lies. It's your fault because you cannot listen to me. But yeah, over here, that's exactly what we want to see. For second stage of market maker buy model or sell model, we use inversion for value gaps. That's it. Gold nice. Like for okay, let's see. I took with 2 micros, so I wanted with one, but I want to partial this high, and I didn't know I want to leave near to 45.09. So yeah, 2 micro contracts. So let's see if it's gonna hit my final TP at 45.09. I hope so. Yes, I got in. I got in at 6:40. I believe 6:40 a.m. with just 2 micro contracts. Because stop loss was kind of big 30 points, so I wasn't able to afford to take more contracts. It's just big risk. But on the yes, guys, guys, there's no comments. We stopped out twice yesterday, and it's super annoying because, seriously, guys, the rest of the day I was trying to understand, what point was missed, what part was missed, why we going down on yes. I see zero reason, negative reason to go down there yet without hitting SPX key level. And of course, it's super annoying that I ended up being red on my funded accounts, on all accounts, not only on funded. That's super annoying. And see, we bounced, just because why not at 8:30 a.m. Dasha, relax. It's okay. But yeah, guys, no reason to talk about past. It's already happened. We're talking about future only. Classes happens. We're gonna just switch and focus on another trade, right? But still annoying, Still annoying. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm bullish or bearish today. I'm just not going to predict. This week it's hard, so I really don't want to predict where market will go. It will go to the right, and we will trade this, okay? I'm talking about why not yesterday. Guys, okay, let's wait for people to join and I will show you something, okay? We'll talk about indicator. What's so annoying? Oh, my loss is yesterday. What else? I partialed here, it was 2R, but I'm still holding on gold long. Funded next 50k flex account, worth it. Worth it to try, like seriously. Yeah, why I entered long on ES? Because ES at that time already tested weekly fair value gap, while NQ didn't. Maybe I had to wait for NQ, but at the same time it could be SMT. ES already was inside weekly fair value gap. We got news. Let me read this news. Increasing size of liquidity support buyback operations for longer. So, guys. This one, guys, helped to bounce indices and gold. Increasing size of nominal land. Okay, bullish news. I'm not really in it. Don't really understand this. Yeah, thanks gold for a nice W. I really appreciate this, but let's wait for another. Thank you guys. Let's wait for another setup. I'm gonna show you something. Just want to wait for people first. Guys, don't forget to click the like button, share the stream, and subscribe if you're new here. Dasha, market doesn't need too much good news to bounce. I also want to see gold higher. Guys, I'm not going to predict bias. Seriously, we will go to the right. That's it. Because every single time when I say I'm bearish, I'm trying to long. Every single time when I'm bullish, I'm trying to short. I don't know. We will see, okay? We will see. It's FOMC minutes. It's not meeting, so it's not the same. So, we will get some volatility, but it's not huge spike in volume or something like that at 2 p.m. So I wouldn't rely on this, to be honest. Yeah, we're gonna have news, but it's not important news. I was expecting either Tuesday low of the week or Wednesday midweek rally, right? So basically, seems like we're gonna get second option for profile. Okay, I will take it, so it's not a problem. I want to look for longs today. It's FOMC minutes. It's not meeting. It's gonna be different news. It's not going to offer huge impact on market today. Okay? FOMC meeting and minutes two completely different news. That's it. It's not that significant. It's like home sales, You still trade this day when we have home sales, right? It offers some volatility. Normally, it used to be orange folder news couple of, not months ago, okay, a year ago, or maybe 2 years ago. They switched to red folder news, but still it's completely different one. Yeah, they normally they don't do too much. Once again, of course, it offers some volatility, but once again, not that much. I mean, like when we have no news, like market is moving like that. Excuse me. But yeah, guys, you know what I did yesterday? I finally figured this out. I'm gonna show you now. How many people in the chat? Like, okay, guys, watch. So yesterday, let me actually... Which example I want to show you? Was it 3 minutes? Okay, let's work. Let's talk about this. Oh, let's actually do this on gold, because gold offered nice example yesterday. What time it was? I saw long twice on gold last night. Didn't enter, but really wanted. Okay, let me show you. So guys, I finally done with indicator. I'm gonna share, of course, I'm not going to sell anything. It's gonna be free forever. But look what I did. I'm gonna hide right now drawings. So yesterday, guys, I finally won this fight between PineScript and me. So what we're gonna have in this indicator? I'm gonna show, 1 second, is it this one? I think so. Let me see. 1 second. I think so. It's this part of this updated part, I guess. Or not. 1 second. I will bring my laptop. I don't remember if this one updated. I don't remember if I updated this one. Let me check. What time it was? 2. Okay, 8. I'm gonna figure this out now. If I updated this. No, I didn't. Okay. Lumi test save. Is it my profile? Oh yeah. Okay, let's try to reload this, I guess. Lumi test. This one. Okay, got it. Oh. Now I can show you. 1 second. Did not update it last version on my chart. Okay. Now it's ready. I think so. Yeah, finally. I'm gonna put this over here as well. This one not updated. This one is updated. Well, guys, what I did yesterday, so I completely done with high time candles here. So it's gonna highlight fair value gaps, it's gonna highlight 50% of previous candle range, and it's gonna highlight sweeps. So basically, once candle closed inside previous candle range after taking high or low of the previous candle, it's gonna highlight a sweep as you can see here, right? So what is going on over here on my chart? You see 3 completely different colors. And I'm gonna explain everything here. So purple color usually gonna be once price breaks above or below 50% of order block. So once initially we have OB, and it's gonna be blue color. It's gonna be orange until we get in the closure, then it's gonna switch to blue when we're gonna get the closure. So 30-minute candle closed, we got 3-minute OB. Over here, it also has vertical lines, so every 30 minutes depends on time frame. But what will happen if, I mean, it's working. But what will happen if we're gonna break below 50% of order block? It's gonna switch to purple. So why we're gonna use this? Because once price breaks, let's say below 50% of bullish order block, we consider this order block as low probability OB, and it's a nice option here. See this it's orange line here. So why? Because while candles still forming on 30-minute chart, we don't have like confirmation of order block just yet. We call this early change in the state of delivery. And until we get in the closure, so before we're gonna get the closure of 30-minute candle, it's gonna be orange. Once we're gonna get the closure of 30-minute candle of this candle, see, new vertical line is gonna switch to blue. See how nice it is? Damn, that's so cool. Absolutely like it. I was super excited to announce this, Pretty much exactly what I wanted. Super happy with this indicator, really guys, super happy. And I believe it also highlighted some order blocks here. Looks great, right? I'm gonna share, guys, obviously. Super happy with this indicator. It's gonna be public, yes. I'm just trying to fix some mistakes, and I'm trying to see what I need to improve. So I don't want to share raw file. No, that script wasn't great. That script wasn't great, unfortunately, that you shared. So that's for I call this fractal because you can change whatever you like here. Fractal change in the state of delivery style. So it's really up to you. You can do whatever you want with this order block. I didn't know how to call this part, so I call like that. So what you're gonna do, you can have early change in the state of delivery, which gonna be highlighted with orange, right? Early change in the state of delivery. You're also gonna have 50% of order block. You can change color, you can change line type, and it's gonna be recolor once we're gonna get closure above or below 50%. So it's also gonna delete change in the state of delivery, even early change in the state of delivery once it's invalidated. So once price broke above order block, bearish order block, basically taking this top of bearish OB. Once price break below bottom of bullish OB, it's gonna be deleted immediately. So basically, it's invalidation. Damn, that's so good. Seriously, that's exactly what I wanted to have. You can play with your time frame alignment chart. So initially, I put 2 and 3 minute chart for 30 minutes, but you can play with this if you want. Sweep lines here. 50%. Oh, I need to put capital E here. Damn, Dasha. Yeah, pretty solid one. It's order block. So I'm gonna share indicator, guys. I guess on Friday. So I'm gonna test today, on stream with you, and I will share. I promise I will share. I'm not going to sell something to you. It's gonna be free forever, guys. And also, please update SPX indicator in your chart. So yesterday I added blue section here, so it's overlap gaps. So as you can see, we got unfilled part of gap here, and it overlaps with current gap. So it's overlap here. And yesterday SPX respected this part, as you can see, not only 25%, but also overlap area, and I completely missed this part. So update indicator, SPX indicator as well, okay, in your chart. I'm out on gold. Oh yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah. It was 2 micro trades. I'm out on gold. Just notice this. Nice. I entered not here. I entered at 6:45 around, so 44.21. Yay! Happy with this. So we discussed this trade idea on Sunday stream. If you don't watch my can I close this? Yeah. If you don't watch me on Sunday, I'm trying to stream on Sunday, so it's we discussed this here on Sunday stream. So we wanted to long our inversion for value gap as part of second stage of market maker buy model. And today, boom, exactly what we wanted. Our inversion. Textbook price action. Oh yeah, sure. SPX indicator. Yeah, of course. How? Yeah, sure, of course, guys. It's not a problem. How can I share this if it's my own indicator? About the script, source code. My script. Not going to share, guys. How can I share this? 1 second. I cannot do this. I guess this one. Yeah, guys, give me 1 second. Favorite one. Lumi. How to call this? LumiTraders RTH. Yeah. I found it. Let me check first. Updated, yeah, this one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna share indicator for SPX. Not going to share for height from candles just yet, simply because it's not done yet. So link for SPX gaps, which we're gonna use today, in the chat if you want to try this, like use this. I hope you're gonna like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, Chris, I guess I'm just happy with my long on gold. And happy with indicator I built, like, seriously, took me like 3 days. But yeah, guys, today on Steam, we're gonna test this perfect indicator, which highlights change in the state of delivery and height from candles with sweeps. Yeah, I got it. It's still morning, so guys, my brain doesn't work that well yet. Yeah, guys, I got it. So I shared link in the chat. Sorry about this. Link in the chat for SPX. Good morning. Link for height from candles and order blocks will be posted on Friday. I think so. Limit 2026? I mean, did I have Limit 2025, 2024 mentorships? I mean, I didn't have any. Yeah, it's gonna be height from indicator. Super cool. Guys, I'm never going to sell you something. I mean, at least for now. Indicator for change in the state of delivery will be shared for free on Friday. I'm just trying to like test this today. And guys, you will help me like improve something today. So I don't want to share like not ready file yet. But I will share, I promise, I promise. I did this indicator for us, not for me only. It's gonna be free and I will share on Friday. We'll test today and tomorrow. We'll collect some data, what I need to improve. Maybe we'll add something. I don't know. It's really like 1,600 lines. It's a lot. Because I wanted to add like daily open height from liquidity levels, but I believe it's too much, guys. It's gonna load forever. So far looks good, yes, but let's see how it's gonna work today. Maybe it's gonna give some SMT. I have no idea how to add SMT. Like, no idea. Seriously, guys. Not sure I can help you with SMT part. It's hard. I mean, I will try, but I'm not sure I can do this. You think Claude gonna... I mean, in order to ask Claude something, you need to explain first. You cannot say like, can you write change in the state of delivery indicator? Like, it has no idea what change in the state of delivery for you. For him, it can be completely a different definition, right? For me, change in the state of delivery I explain on my website. So it's like, it can be formed like 2 different ways. Like when you have huge sequence of done close candles, for example, we're gonna use only like sequence attached height from level. And if you're gonna just ask like, Claude, hi, can you please write like change in the state of delivery indicator? It's not gonna work like that. You seriously need to explain what change in the state of delivery, which conditions need to have. When you say like PD ray, you have to explain what is PD ray, what is fair value gap. It must be like really good prompt for this. Honestly, guys, I'm looking for longs, but we will see. Maybe pull back down to RTH gap first. I mean, guys, we're going to the right, okay? I mean, I use FADI SMT indicator, but I'm not sure I can copy this because seriously, it's really hard. Up and right, yep. Yeah, I'm just trying to say Claude is nice, but you have to like really explain what is like PD ray, what is fair value gap if you're gonna use fair value gap in your code, what is liquidity level. You have to explain this. Like really. For SMT, guys, I use FADI indicator, and probably I'm gonna use this indicator because once again, I will not repeat this. It's really hard. I don't know how to even explain this. If I will ask Claude, like, how? I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to do this. It's gonna be overlap gap today. Super annoying because we entered long twice yesterday aiming for this fucking part. And right now we're trading like right here. Super annoying. Yeah, I'm just trying to say I will not add SMT, guys. If it took me 3 days to write like change in the state of delivery, like no way I will do this with. Yeah, Sean, I can see. I'm done with changing the state of delivery. Just 3 days of like millions attempts to take to get this. But for SMT, I mean, guys, I will try, but I'm not gonna promise anything, okay? But I will try. I know why pre-market is better. I got long on gold at 645 and I'm super happy with this long. And that's it so far. Yeah, guys, I said like Tuesday low the week or Wednesday reversal profile to upside. But yeah, guys, if you need something like I'm gonna be professional soon. In indicators, like ask for something simple. Maybe I will help, but for something simple. It's not easy to write this. Even like this OT, SPX indicator took me some time, but thanks ChatGPT and Claude for this actually. It helped me a lot. I mean, nice. Yes, I want. Like, probably you don't watch me now. Okay, I will answer. I will reply. Because like my husband keeps saying every single day that like Dasha, you need to study AI. You need to study AI because like future, like in the future, AI will like take most. I would say it will be like top one in like any job and anything like that. So my husband keeps saying like Dasha, study AI, and I was really trying to master this. It's really hard, but I will do my best. Guys, if you have any suggestions about like high frame, just let me know because I maybe I will learn how to do this quickly. It's not easy. Just ask AI to see, like jokes aside, it's true. And my husband keeps saying this every single time, like just talk with ChatGPT how to learn ChatGPT. For AI, like see? Also, like so many young software engineers in Tesla, for example, working in Tesla. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, you really need to understand what you need to ask. You cannot like say, Claude or ChatGPT, like, or whatever you use. I want to have this indicator, copy this. Like, no way it's going to copy this, right? Or like, help you with something. You need to have like solid prompt, and like everything starts with solid prompt. And like sometimes you can ask Claude to write prompt for you. Like you say, like, I need this, and this, like in simple words, and it's gonna write prompt for you, which also smart to do this. So my plan, guys, I want to long, but I will stay away from prediction. I was trying to, I was bearish yesterday, ended up taking 2 longs. So I don't know. Maybe I will short, maybe I will long. We're going to the right today, okay? Okay, guys, market is open. Let's switch on SPX now. Damn, it's super annoying. Look where we opened. Yesterday, our target was 77.27. Well, whatever. Like, let's focus. I'm gonna do like this, I guess. Gonna be easier to see. Okay. So still overlap gap here. I want to see we're going slightly higher. I do like gap that we have over here as well. And small overlap gap area here, right? We need to retrace down. So what I would like to get, maybe the test of this 62% we want to see yesterday, then pull back down over here, and then we'll probably try to long from here, maybe slightly lower. Yeah. Last time it was like I was trying to long on Wednesday and ended up pumping on Thursday. Yesterday I was trying to long like twice. Yesterday was Tuesday and ended up like pumping today. Dasha, it's okay. Relax. Yesterday I was annoyed, and you know why? Because I spent, guys, almost 3 hours figure out like why we don't want to go higher. And I saw like no reason on ES. Once again, on NQ, yes. It left previous weekly low level. It left weekly for a while gap. Okay, just looking on NQ, maybe. But looking on ES, I saw negative 100 millions. I don't know, like reason to short this. I really want to see like maybe we're going to 7,700, maybe 76.96, but I will look for longs and longs. No, I was looking in hindsight several times. I don't see shorts. I even journaled this trade yesterday. Like, no way. Guys, what? I will take these trades over and over again. And I would be proud of them. I just was annoyed yesterday, not because of losses, but because I didn't understand where market is going and why it's going down on ES. Really? Like, seriously, guys, I'm happy with my performance yesterday. Not happy with red day, but like, once again, who are we to give up? Minor losses will not destroy us. We're still the best. We're still the best, right? Yes, Dasha. In hindsight, I saw nothing. I saw nothing that really like told me like, Dasha, it was short. It was like easy short. You know what? It wasn't easy short. Especially on ES. Okay, guys, let's pay attention on SPX a little bit. No, I need to clean, I guess. Wow. Some losses yesterday. At least I'm transparent about this. Ended up being red everywhere. Like, guys, on anything. But guys, I know myself, and I know like how August usually perform for me. So I blew everything I had last year. So I'm not going to repeat this mistake again. So just size down, small wins. I'm gonna get my small wins in the walk away. Like really happy is even like $200. Just small win, walk away. Small win, walk away. Yes, Chris, you're right. I'm bullish, yes, today, but I was bearish yesterday. We entered longs, so guys. Overall, I was bearish to create lows a week. Because I didn't see any short setups. Let's check for the first 30 minutes. Let's just pay attention on the SPX. SPX needs to retrace down now. Sorry, guys. Oops, I need to actually invert this. Come on, give me retracement, guys. I will try to long. You want to see 77? I mean, yes, I think so. Around so. Yeah, I agree with you. Let's retrace here, and if it's gonna respect, let's try to long over here. Let's get our 30 points, please. Let me connect my Tradify. We'll try to get trade everything again today. Every single account I have. Just in case, guys, just in case, like we're gonna have shit price action. This morning I bought 5 evals. So take profit trade evaluations. So just in case it's gonna be like shit, we're gonna trade evals. I will let you know. But take profit trade running 50% off now and 3 days to pass. So just in case like it's gonna be shit, I will trade 5 TPT evaluations. But so far, plan is to trade not evaluations, but funded only. But once again, we will see. Below evals day? Nope. Robert, you said 77.36 on ES, right? I would try to see 77.30, I guess. Maybe 25. We have small overlap gap area here. Okay, I see. I'm looking for longs as well, but I would say slightly lower than 77.36. Maybe 30, maybe 25. We have nice fair value gap here. We'll size down today. I will reduce my risk because, you know, guys, on the first try, I will risk less than usually risk. Not sure about stop loss yet. But maybe something like that. I don't, guys, you know, yesterday I was trying to trade this kind of retracement. Nope, not going to short this. No. You guys, if I will decide to short, like, stop me, okay? Say, like, Dasha, relax. Relax, Dasha. Don't take any trades before 10. Because 2 days in a row, I was trying to trade at 9:38, 9:40 a.m. I got cooked. Like, say, no, I'm gonna trade funded today, not evaluations. At least for now, plan is to kill on funded. Because I already killed on gold and long. Long on gold. Dasha cannot speak today, but I got long on gold at 6:45 a.m. with 2 micros. But you know, I will take my 80 points because I entered not here, I entered here. I will take it, no complaints. So guys, well, back to trading, looking for pullback to this fair value gap. Also testing my new indicator, so it's gonna highlight. I mean, it's already highlighting for fair value gap on high time frame. High time frame candles, liquidity sweeps over here, 50% of previous candle range and previous candle high and low. At the same time, it highlights lower time frame order blocks. Perfect. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna just peg this for a value gap, and this will line up with 50% of RTH gap. Because I want a long. Don't force me to short. No, I will stay away. My plan is to look for longs. Don't fade me on my longs, okay? Guys, I forgot to ask, are we bullish or bearish? Are we bullish or bearish today? Who's bullish? Who's bearish? 50% of demand for value gap. Damn, kind of hot in the office. One day it's cold, one day it's hot. Bullish, 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 bullish. I like it. Some people bearish. I cannot be bearish as long as it's above 70.5% of RTH gap. Market gonna go down. I mean, maybe. Guys, I'm gonna significantly increase my contract size. So this is gonna be, I guess, less than $200. Guys, seriously, week August not easy. So I don't want to risk a lot. I don't want to risk my accounts that I was building like for months. So just gonna decrease contract size, like, and risk, especially in first attempt. No reason to risk a lot, I guess. We'll be happy with, like, I'm gonna increase my base hit as well. I will be happy with $300, $200. Can someone share SPX indicator? So I don't want to, like, look for this again. Unless I have, like, saved link. Oh, actually I have it. Sorry, guys. No reason to share. I found it. SPX indicator. Let me open to see something. That's a question. If I want to, if you want to retrace to the 70.5, I don't want to 70.5%. I'm looking between 50 and 70.5%. I will only be bearish if 2-minute candle closes below 70.5%. That's my invalidation of my long, short-term long bias, you know? And Q looks good. I mean, yes, still kind of like trying to retrace. No validation of longs yet. I'm gonna open yes on my other screen, so don't want to miss this. Damn, it's 9:42 again. Didn't even tap 25%. I'm gonna chill a little bit. We hit daily open on NQ price, trying to respect this level. I trade futures, yes, trade futures market. I don't like SPX yet. I mean, not bad, but at the same time, didn't hit 25%. But filled overlap area from overlap gap area from yesterday. I mean, let's see, guys. Damn it. Okay, no rush. Guys, like, really stop me if I want to, like, enter trade before 10. Or say, like, Dasha, trade on evaluation. Like, seriously, like, guys, stop me. Please. So, like, Dasha, you're gonna make stupid mistake again if you're gonna trade before 10. You're always early, but damn it, I want to trade right now. Well, Dasha, relax. Learn from your mistakes. Please. You're smart. Learn from your mistakes. If you got cooked twice this week on same on same time, like something is off at this point. Yeah, that's like, it's okay. Wait. I know it's tough. I know, guys. You telling me this? I mean, I know. We're all in the same boat. Like, don't worry about this. NQ looks promising though. Let me switch on M and Q, I guess. Let's see if it's gonna displace. SPX super like weak now. I'll do like reaction from 9 to M open. No, back on yes, 1 second. No, part of me wants to scalp trade now. Okay, what I'm looking at now, let me explain. I'm looking for SPX to hit 50% or 62% of RTH gap. Price failed to, actually broke about 50% of the fundamental B, but really not strong closure. So if you're gonna displace here, I really want to get this one. We'll try, I guess, this one. Like, say, Dasha, you don't want to trade before 10 a.m. Please. So if you're gonna stay below 50%, I might actually scalp. Trying to stay here. But once again, I will scalp like small risk. Let's try this one. I'm in trade. Where to put stop loss? Why it's so... Oh, one... Okay, whatever. I mean, I don't know. Let's... I don't want to trade, but I mean, I have to try. So stop loss gonna be here. Partial gonna be at 62%. So technically it's gonna be here for partial. Sorry guys, it's here. Final TP gonna be 70.5%, maybe. I don't know. 9 points. Did I put this correct? Technically, yes. Slightly above it, yeah. So 62% gonna be my first. Let me delete this one for now. Gonna be my first TP to lock some profits there. Sorry guys, I know I'm cheating, but damn it. It's my model on SPX. Probably I will just be disappointed if it's gonna fail. So guys, we're gonna partial at 62%. I think so. Maybe. So I want to see 3 points lower. So 25 minus 3, it's like 22, I guess, run. So not sure about exact. See guys how hard it's convert like levels on ES from SPX. So it's technically 5 points lower at 20, somewhere here. But the rest I will leave. Some low resistance liquidity run, some equal bodies here. So that's your targets, guys. I mean my targets, not yours. It's my targets. I entered late, had to enter here, but whatever. I don't think I want to hold more than one micro contract below 70.5%. Because below 70.5%, I think it's gonna be invalidation of short-term bullish bias. So we want to partial at 62%, like here. Another TP gonna be probably 70.5%. That's your second TP. You can partial there. I mean, I'm not sure about exact target, like 19, 18. As you can see, I'm kind of flexible right now with my targets here. I'm looking for 70.5% retest. Guys, I'm not watching yes, I'm trading SPX levels. That's pretty much it. Nice reaction from 62% so far. I guess I need to trail stop loss 1 second. I'm fine where we are right now. Let me see if I want to trail. I mean, technically, yes, I guess so. Especially if you're gonna get the closure on 2-minute chart above. I think so. Okay, let's sit in this trade, hoping to get 70.5% if it's gonna fail to offer 2-minute OB. Fortunately for me, I got my partial levels, so up almost $300 on each account. Damn, that's good actually. So if it's gonna be 2-minute OB, we want to get in longs. At this point, we're gonna get this. We will just enter long because it's exactly what we want to see, right? Over here. See? Pretty much exactly what we wanted. Let's get 2-minute OB first. We long 2-minute OB on SPX. I think I just want to probably trail this, like no reason, because I'm looking for longs now. Just give me 2-minute OB over here, and I will try. Yeah, we got 2-minute OB. Okay, nice. I'm gonna keep trailing lower, so I'm looking for longs soon. Just gonna trail here. I'm not going to hold it anymore. So far, so good on SPX. Minor pullback, but we already got break above 25%. So let me measure something now. 1 second, guys. I want to close this trade already. Because we're looking for longs. But I cannot long for, it's kind of like, like kind of in equilibrium. So looking for maybe minor pullback to try. Stop loss will be below 70.5%. Yeah, looking for longs, guys, now. Check and Q. Let's check and Q real quick. It's trying to stay below New York midnight open still. So long is gonna be either at pullback to SPX, a 2-minute OB over here. It's gonna be nice entry. Or we're gonna wait for NQ to break above New York midnight open, this one. Okay. I started looking for longs now. Not in trade. I mean, not in trade yet, but I absolutely like it. I think I'm gonna try long above this level. But stop loss is kind of big, right? 14 points. How many contracts for micros, I guess? We got the closure. Let's check SPX real quick. Looks good to me. Okay, let me switch on 2-minute chart. Nice pullback, trying to over pullback here. At pullback, it will be the best option for me to enter the trade. Small retest. Or we can just try it with small amount contracts, like 3 micros, and then just add. That's, I guess, what we're gonna do. Right? Let's put our stop loss at below fair value gap. Okay, I mean, let's try trying like with a really small contract size. Someone is calling me. Who was that? Oh. We have overlap gap area here, right? I got distracted. Okay. Yeah, I will look for longs here. Yeah, like somewhere from where we are right now, around like 39, 38. I will put my stop loss below fair value gap. Okay. So I'm gonna risk what I made. $25. Do I show you executions? Yes, just to make sure. So basically right now risking what I made on my previous trade. Not going to risk more than this. Yeah. Would like to see overlap gap area. So basically first TP is gonna be blue area on SPX. It was our original target, but once again, entry wasn't that perfect on SPX. We have low resistance liquidity run, so we're gonna partial using SPX level. It's around like 50, 53 level on yes chart, I guess so. So basically, why stop loss is here? I'm just trying to give this room for retracement, just in case they want to retrace. We got big conversion here, like 2 fair value gaps. So since really guys can anticipate potential pullback, so ideally I want to put my stop loss over here at 32. But once again, since it's small amount, small contract size, so I don't really want to put this here yet. Let's expand above 9:30 I'm open. I will trail to 32. Like I originally want to put this there, but once again we'll take it. Looking for SPX to bounce to overlap gap now. Blue box is my main target. We're gonna partial there. I don't know what the level on ES is. It's around like, I don't know, 50, 53 on ES. I seriously want to see blue box here. But once again, risking what I made on previous trade. So I'm not going to risk more. So as you can see, I'm not trying to increase contract size at this point. I'm fine with SPX reversal at OT of RTH gap. I really want to see overlap gap. It was target yesterday on our longs. So basically trying to take this as well. I mean, you know, guys, as long as we are above 70.5% it's bullish, that's all we need to know, right? As long as we're above 70.5% of RTH gap, we are bullish. And yeah, no reason for me to look for continuation lower. I may look for continuation lower once 70.5% broken, but for now, I don't see reason. So plan was to look for longs from OT. That's what we did. We got the the break above this done close candle. So I treat this as OB at this point because this candle entered discounter A, started basically this move 1, 2. It's sequence of done close candles is my order block here. And once again, as long as we're expecting 70.5%, I want to stay bullish. Basically, I shorted too long. That's it. Especially like it's nice to make some money so I can like risk them later. Seriously watching now overlap idea here. Because look at this bullish reaction so far. Perfect. Look at this break above 25%. Perfect. 2 validation of longs for me. You know, technically order block is here on SPX as well. Because with this sequence of done close candles, 1, 2, we entered 50%, basically OT. So yeah, I could treat this as order block. We just got this. At least it's 10, you know? At least it's 10. In a perfect world, we don't want to see retracement back to 50% or at 62%. So ideal scenario, we're gonna respect this area, which basically my stop loss here. Risk reward at this 2-minute OB is horrible. But once again, ideally, like, if it was like pretty much volatile market, I would put my stop loss somewhere here at 30. But I'm not gonna do this now. I still can expect to get pullback. Basically my plan, OT long. Trying to follow this plan. And not risking what I made. More than what I made. Okay, Okay, let's see if we're gonna hit this overlap area from August 11. August 11. Can you see my SPX chart? It's partial here no matter what for me. Yes, it looks kind of heavy. Doesn't look like this on SPX for some reason. Sorry, guys. That's partial. 100% for me, it's partial. I mean, I will put this for now here because I don't know where is this exactly. But we will adjust this. I didn't even adjust my final TP. 1 second. My invalidation of bullish bias is gonna be below 70.5%. We're gonna drop a lot right after this. So that's why no reason for me to short this. I closed where I wanted to close my short, and I didn't expect to get lower than this. Oh. Mosquitoes in Florida, love you. Like, worst scenario, I'm gonna be just break even. Nice scenario, I'm gonna make more money. You know, if market wants to be perfect again today, we will go to overlap gap area on SPX. If market wants to be shit, we will chop around on SPX. My concern is SPX overlap gap area. 2 days in a row, we still have same overlap gap. Need to check in queue, by the way, on my other screen. And Q still holding below 9 AM open. It's exactly the same picture that happened yesterday. So once again, my invalidation of short-term bullish bias is gonna be here. Oops. Will be interested in shorts below this level. Maybe I woke up with no bias because like it's really nice when you like basically can adjust your bias to market conditions. What a chop, you know. It's funny because once again, I'm taking same long with exactly same trade idea as I did yesterday. Once again, worst scenario, I'm gonna just finish with $0 on my after my second trade. Best scenario, I'm gonna make my base hit finally. I'm happy with any result. And I'm happy I don't like full port this, you know? I have like 5 micro contracts on MES. Like really small risk, knowing like we have no volume, like small, like no volatility, small ranges. So I really want to work with small contracts. Just trying to keep this real, okay? No reason to trade like mini or 2 mini contracts, 15 micros for me, because like them in this market with this current like ranges, no thank you. Weird. We got nice validation of this long to this gap, but doesn't want to hit this yet. I mean, it's fine, but when we gonna leave this part, like, overlap gap? Like, seriously, jokes aside, are you kidding me? Second day in a row we playing. I mean, okay. Not going to fight with trend. But we'll short below at this level only. I'm not interested in shorts as long as we're above. And I will aim for, let me find sell side. First one. And second TP. And second TP is gonna be, I don't know where, I guess at 50% of this candle range. Yeah. That's only possible short scenario for me. I don't have any other short scenarios yet. Just yet. Sorry, guys. Still respecting 25% of RTH gap on SPX. Still holding above OT and 50% of RTH gap on SPX. Let's see what will happen next with this gap. Interesting because we have like big gap to work with and market barely moving at this point. That's weird. I was thinking like maybe I need to switch on NQ because NQ at least offers some volatility while ES pretty much doing nothing. I mean, once again, no complaints, but what NQ did? and Q holding below daily open while ES is above this level. The question is if ES wants to hit daily open, or we're gonna stay above this level, which validates continuation higher. Yeah, second part of SPX idea didn't work. I mean, probably not going to work. But I'm not gonna short as long as we hold in 70.5%. It's not for me. I think I'm gonna finish like even slightly green. Which is good. Still trying to stay above 50%. Once again, worst scenario, I'm gonna finish, I guess, slightly green. Need to put this somehow so it's not going to overlap. Let's see how it goes. SPX still respecting 25%. I still like it. Can I, 1 second guys. Can I do always on top? Yeah, like that. Trading guys, everything I have now, all my accounts. Sorry guys. Because I'm trading 35 accounts now. Come on, SPX, hit this fucking overlap area. Don't play with me like 2 days in a row. I didn't deserve this. Seriously. Jokes aside, I did not deserve this. Let's see if the market really wants to be great today. Because after yesterday, like, we may try to move maybe. Really, all I need is like overlap gap now. Nothing else. I'm not asking for anything else. Just overlap gap. This blue box on SPX. 9 points higher. Nine points higher, it's approximately at 49 actually. Like somewhere here. Hit overlap gap. That's all I need. Like, seriously. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, also trying to break above 10 AM open. And Q still weak, in my opinion. Fucking mosquitoes. Yeah, kind of like it. What I do like about this on SPX, how we hold in 25%. It's really strong sign for me. It will try to pump. I mean, I hope so, but... NQ still bearish, and I don't like this decoupled market. What happened yesterday? NQ sold off, ES just moved to the right, like 10 points range all day, barely moving. I mean, okay, it's fine, but you know what? It's annoying. Especially SPX. Look at SPX range yesterday. I'm gonna show you now. Oh, wait. Here. Excuse me. What was this like yesterday after market open? I'm just asking. I need to like have good answer for this. What they really were trying to do? I mean, now it doesn't look better though. But at least we have like some money to work with. So not that painful. Not going to be red. At least. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. I hope so. No? Enter. Enter then, guys. Enter giveaway now. Thanks God I entered this short before. Really didn't want to do this. So far it was trade of the day. SPX, my friend. You could stop this chop and expand higher now to overlap gap. I'm just saying, like, I mean, I understand it's like no volume and you want me to keep losing in this market, but I would appreciate move towards the overlap gap just like 12 points higher. Not that much for you. Do whatever you want after this. Please. I'm kind with you. Don't do this with me again. Was I nice? I did, right? I was. Nope. Okay. Okay. I got it. No means no. I see. No means no. No complaints. I mean, actually I have some complaints. What the heck? I see shorts on SPX below 70.5% only. I'm thinking like if I really want to take this on funded, but probably I will not. I will switch on my TPT vals and I will trade on vals, which I got this morning. But I'm not gonna, it's gonna be my last trade on funded today. Not going to overtrade this funded, just, it's my A+ setups, short and long here. If not, then it's okay. I will just take what I got today and I will switch on evaluations. Maybe I will find something else, but on evaluations only. The rest I'm gonna be on the vals. Once again, as I said before, I will be happy like even with like small profit for the day. But here was my like plan. OT long. If I didn't take this trade, probably I would hate myself. Like guys, jokes aside, where's my volume? I mean, funny to say, but NQ has this. And thanks God I got like a nice long on gold this morning on my account. At least this warms my heart. But anything else, not really. It just fucking chop. Nothing else. Guys, tell me some jokes, some stories, because I need to distract myself from this market. Nothing to focus on. That's the biggest problem, I would say. Sam, are you here? Sam, are you here? Please, some jokes. I told Sam, go for it. So guys, I told you like this trade based on my SPX idea. I don't look at ES. I execute on ES. But I don't need to have breakout structure for this. Enough 2-minute OB. 2-minute OB is enough for me. This strategy book tested. We're trading this strategy for over the 6 months, guys, like on streams. It works. I mean, maybe in this chart, maybe no volume. Like sometimes it's gonna be like that. If it's like this, it doesn't mean like it doesn't work. It's just like, okay, conditions like when you need to stay away from trading this. So for example, we have no volume, we have chop, but in hindsight, solid. It's not like chop, but in hindsight, it was solid. I believe you already said this joke before. It's funny, actually, I like it. But once again, guys, short and long on SPX, that's running right now, it's A+ setups for me today. Seriously, A+. I wouldn't execute this on my all funded accounts if it wasn't A+ setup. Just saying. That's why I don't want to trail stop loss. I don't want to yet. Let's partial first. I don't want to close the trade simply because I'm in drawdown. I will take my loss if it's loss. But in my opinion, like both trades today, I took A+, 2 pluses. In Dasha we trust. Love you guys. Eight points higher. 8 points higher. 8 points higher. What NQ is doing? Nothing? I mean, NQ at least doing something. It's yes. Yes doing nothing. Just dancing at 10 AM open so far. Okay. NQ trying. If NQ wants to reverse, I do like reversal. Just let's break above 10 AM open on NQ as well. We didn't really break this level only in SPX, not SPX, yes yet. Market makers, please. No, you know what? I'm gonna take most position over there. Because seriously, no volume now. Hit overlap gap. Please. I was so kind to you today. No one believes in yes like an SPX that much as I believe in you. Once again, when I was entering the trade, it wasn't time distortion. In hindsight, like right now, we have it, but once again, when we entered the trade, it wasn't. Hit overlap gap. 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 Please. Now. Please. My face when like I see this price action. Yeah, guys. Let's shut our mouths right now. Let's just watch. Yeah, my stop loss was below fair value gap, as I said before. If price wants to expand, we had to stay above. But yeah. Kind of wild. Six points higher. It's 6 points away from partial ADM. Dasha, it's not funny, relax. No, you know what? It's funny actually. Oh. God, market makers. Like, I mean, I mean, that's wild. That's fucking wild. You know, if I'm gonna have depression or something like that, blame not me, not my family. Blame this market. Blame August price action. And by the way, I'm kidding. How are my nails? Doing good, but I don't like color anymore. I'm not gonna do pink anymore. I'm just too young for this. Like, seriously. I'm too young for having like pink color on my nails. It's gonna be, you know, like this yellow here. This yellow is nice, right? Like color. Or it's gonna be French tips. Which one? Like, I guess my favorite one. Something. Hit my partial area. You cannot do this 2 days in a row with me. Can you answer my question? Sure. Can you copy and paste this again? I probably miss this. But ask, of course. More nail talk? Well, I like long nails, and I used to have like bright colors. And thank you for asking, by the way. You know, I like to talk about this. I used to have bright colors, but then I was like, damn, Dash, you're not like young anymore, like for like bright colors. You're not teenager. I'm not going to have like bright green or bright blue color anymore, or orange. So I decided to switch like on more like natural colors, like French tips, maybe like light pink, light like butter yellow color. Thank you for asking, guys. You know I like when we're talking about this. And yeah, this time I was doing like French tips for like 6-7 months. But this time I decided to do this. Not that great, right? Like kind of like for like old women. For old women, but not for me. So I decided to schedule another appointment. It's gonna be in 2 weeks, and I will do French tips or a butter yellow color again. Yes. Let's hit my partial area on SPX. Na. Oh, fuck. Dasha, relax. Relax. It's not... No, actually, you know what? W in the chat. No stress anymore. Only happy face. You know what? You did it. Oh my god. Okay, next target is gonna be at 60 on ES. Let's adjust. 77.60 is my final TP. Oh, damn it. Okay, just micro left on this position. How we did this, I don't know, guys. It's just crazy. That's fucking crazy. Oh god, Dasha Deluxe. Thank you, thank you. After yesterday last, I really, truly, truly appreciate this. Yeah, language, sorry guys, sorry. 35 accounts. At least like we're gonna be done like with $460 on each. Never give up. That's damn wild. Thank you, SPX. Shorted and long based on like same strategy. Okay, let's see if it's gonna hit 77.60 now. After it's gonna hit 58, I will trail stop loss. Wow. So current buy side liquidity, I guess, resistance 77.58 than previous daily high level. I think so. So between like 77.60 is more like psychological level, 77.58 is just buy side liquidity for my pre-market actually. Sorry guys, pre-market high. We entered actually here, just for your information. Just to see how stressful it was, guys, for your information. It was like a couple of ticks away from stopping me out. We didn't enter here or here. We entered here. Stop loss was below fair value gap or below 50% of our stage gap on SPX. Thanks God. Like seriously. Jokes aside, guys, like seriously stressful. At least they covered like losses from yesterday. SPX just beautiful today. So good. Okay, just micro left. Let's see. I just don't want to close this trade simply because like it's runner. Let's see if it's gonna continue going higher. Pushing higher. Okay. When I mentioned God in the middle of the trade. No, guys, seriously, this week was hard. Like jokes aside. Three W's for me today. Gold, thanks for playing. I will take my more than 80 points long. Thanks for short on SPX for 17 points. And so far we locked 10 points on ES long. Really good. ES is stronger right now in Q-lagging asset here. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday was... Don't mention Tuesday. Tuesday was tough. Just if you're gonna feel completely this overlap gap. I don't think so, at least for now, but 50%, let's go, let's hit this. So far, kind of respecting 25% of overlap gap. Yeah, basically looking for 50% now. Which gonna be probably near a buy side, like short-term high at 77.55.25 on ES. Nice indicator, like seriously, thanks. I built this, like super helpful. So let me show you while we're sitting in the trade. Look at this indicator on NQ. I'm gonna hide not mine. So I see highlighted order block perfectly on 3-minute chart and 2-minute chart, highlighted 50% of 3-minute and 2-minute OB. We have high time candles, we can see sweep, we can see fair value gap, we can see 50% of previous candle ranges. Nice. Look at this perfect. Like, and we don't need to, oh, you cannot see this, sorry guys. And we don't need to have like lots of drawings. Indicator just drawing for us. So good. See, order block, it's not drawing, it's just indicator. I created this yesterday. How much profit you earn? Like, you can see this on your screen. Like, really, just right now. 1 micro left on my position. We took 2 trades on stream today. So that's profit for streams today. For stream. From stream. Perfect, like, nice. I will try to add, like, New York midnight open, daily open, 9:30 AM open on my chart. I hope it's not gonna be super easy, guys. Yeah, and I will share indicator on Friday. Just trying to finish working on this. So far works great, but once again, and here's example. See on ES, we broke below 50% of this order block on 3-minute chart. See it change from blue to purple. So every single time when price breaks below or above 50% of order block, it's gonna change from blue to purple. So why? Because break below or above 50% of order block depends on order block. Usually tell us most likely this order block will be low probability OB. It doesn't mean like it will fail. It's just gonna be low probability order block, right? So once you break in below of bullish order block, so this makes this order block low probability OB. Once again, it doesn't mean it will fail, but it's gonna be low probability and it's gonna change from blue to purple. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now how it looks. If I can do this now. So initially it's orange. Why? Because we're waiting for the candle closure. It's 10. Then it's gonna switch to blue, unless we're gonna get the closure below 50%. Doesn't switch. Need to fix this. But initially it's orange until we're gonna get the closure on 30-minute chart. Nice. Okay. I need to fix small issue, I guess. Why it wasn't blue in replay? I guess it was blue in real time, but in replay mode it doesn't work like how I want to see it works. So still watching for 50% of overlap gap area on SPX. So far it's beating 25%, but I do want to see 50. If ES could hit 77.55, I could trail my runner, but once again, no reason for this. I mean, I closed at 45.09, my long. And of course, it's painful to see it bounce another 60 points higher. Super annoying, but okay, it's fine. I'll take it. I was in from 6.45 and sold from 44 to 1 with 2 micros. I partialed here and 1 micro closed here. So I got my money today on my account as well. MMXM, what are you talking about? Matt? Who's Matt? Still watching 50% of overlap gap. I said this many times, but nothing changed. I still would like to consider this as TP. Secret agent. Of course. Don't mention this in public. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. Just asking. Just asking. Enter giveaway now, please. Because we're gonna do giveaway soon. Just like in 5 minutes. Make sure to enter. Yes, just to make sure, guys. Don't forget to enter giveaway. I would like to see just 4 points higher on ES. Just 4 points higher on ES and SPX. A bit more on ESO. It's around like 54, 55. See how just using SPX levels, we can win on ES. Let's see, because I'm thinking I'm probably gonna close and gonna run giveaway once we hit 50%. It's around here, okay? Yeah, I think I'm gonna close now once we hit 50%. Just like, you know, no reason to see it. We hit. Well, I'm out. Gonna close here, guys. I hit my TP. Like it, absolutely like it. W. So locked $524 on 35 funded accounts. Today, I will take it. Like seriously, I'm not going to hold anymore. I just want to make giveaway and let's be done for the day. SPX. Thank you, SPX, for playing. I was nice to you. You were nice to me. I truly appreciate this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you want to learn everything about SPX, why we took short, why we took long today, I'm gonna show you now why, actually. And we have indicator for now, even for this. Yay! So guys, go on funded.now. Click Learn section, Lessons. Scroll all the way down, you will find SPX. So we shorted from to OT of RTH gap, you will find this over here. And we long from OT. We have example from, yeah, just opposite to this one. And we long from OT to aim for higher from objective. So everything explained in this lesson. I'm gonna share link in the chat now for SPX lesson, as well as I'm gonna share indicator now for SPX. I'm gonna share indicator 1 second. We'll find this first. I found it. Link for indicator, SPX indicator in the chat as well. So let's hide drawings and let's see what happened today on SPX. Let's analyze this again, just to conclude what happened. So we opened, we got big RTH gap on SPX. So we anticipate to get retracement to OT. So I shorted from here. So once price respected 50% of this order block on SPX, it was our order block over here, right? Over here, price respected 50%, rejected. So we shorted from here, stop loss was above these highs, and we closed at 62%. Then we entered long once SPX offered 2-minute order block. So we used 2 down close candles as our order block. And yes, it was about to stop us out. But once again, we put stop loss at the place where trade idea will be invalidated. And our target was basically this overlap gap from August 11. And yeah, that's it. Super happy with the result today. Super happy with discipline today, because like it's exactly what we wanted. That's exactly like what was our plan. A retracement to OT long. Beautiful. That's super happy with the result today. We got short, we got long, and here's our profit. It is just 5 and 4 micros on yes. And first trade was closed actually with 3 micros, because 2 micros stop at break even. So guys, that's pretty much it, right? Nice, nice. Even here, almost going there. Okay, let's run giveaway. Today gonna be Lucid 25K daily accounts. You still holding? I mean, I'm done. SPX hit my level, I'm not gonna hold anymore. I'm happy with my base hit as well. Like, I don't need more. Let's run giveaway. Everyone entered, just to make sure. I hope so. Everyone entered. Okay, 2 accounts. Tomorrow we'll do take profit trader accounts. So guys, if you see your name on screen, like as a winner, make sure to say like it's me, I've won, like I'm here, like once again something, okay? I see you, I see you. Okay, first winner is here. Let's draw second winner. My funded futures. I don't think they're better than TPT, for example, or Lucid, or TradingView. Second winner. Yeah, I see you. Well, guys, you won 25K Lucid daily accounts, end of the day accounts. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this. I hope you're gonna make lots of payouts. Gonna send accounts like right after stream. Let's hit final W in the chat, because guys, W performance, W hold. And we never give up, right? Yeah, let's hit final W, 2 Ws today. After 2 losses yesterday, I'm pretty much happy. Thank you guys for everything. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message in Discord, Instagram, and Twitter. If you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMI for Take Profit Trader to get 50% off. And you can pass right now for 3 days instead of 5. Lucid 40% off on Lucid Daily, their new plan with daily payouts. TradingView 40% off on all accounts, including straight to funded, and Epix 90% off on all accounts. Guys, thank you for everything. I truly appreciate your support and nice chat today. Truly nice performance, nice discipline, nice patience, like everything is nice. Thank you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday at 9 a.m. Let's destroy this market tomorrow again. TPT is monthly subscription, yes. Love you guys, and join Discord. Join Discord, free Discord. We talk about everything. I share indicators, I share trade ideas, I share my trades there as well. If I'm not on stream, everything is there. Love you guys. Have a great day. Don't make stupid mistakes. Luck your day for the day. Nice profit. See you guys tomorrow. Love you.